I don't trust
No,
doctors at
yeah.
all anymore. So at all.
Yeah. Yeah, especially in America, man. The stories we hear here in Europe about American doctors and the things they just prescribe with opiates, and it's pretty scary.
Well, not only opiates, but for us in America, medical error is like the third leading cause of death.
Oh my God.
Right? Like our healthcare system has a very high death rate all itself. Something like anywhere between 300,000 and 450,000 people a year die from medical error in America.
Oh my God.
Like,
That's crazy.
yeah, yeah, a huge number, huge number. And like I worked in healthcare for a long time, and it's understandable why, because like while healthcare in America is very, very expensive, what people don't understand, it's not spent on the actual care level individuals. The administrative level, like I was an admin, an executive, I was an administrator. I wasn't like, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a nurse or anything like that. I mean, don't get me wrong, I know a lot about health because of what I do, but also I studied up to the point where like I can have a debate with most people, especially about the topic that I talk about a lot, which is obesity and health in that way and nutrition. I tend to believe like a good portion of the clients we've gotten in the last couple of years have been doctors, nurses, physicians assistants. About 40% of our clientele is from the healthcare field because they know so little about lifestyle and nutrition. But it's all administrative based. Like the vast majority of the costs go towards profit, administration fees, administrators, stuff like that. So it's not like it's actually being spent on care. I mean, there's a reason why in America they charge you $50 for a can of Coca-Cola when you're in a hospital room. You know,
Wow.
yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, our healthcare system needs to be completely dismantled and rebuilt from the ground up because we don't have a preventative healthcare model in America. We have a treatment model. Like we don't really have healthcare. We have sick care.
Yeah.
We treat people that get sick, but we don't actually try to avoid it. Like
Mm.
not once in America did you hear any public health official for the entire pandemic talk about unfattening yourself or even trying to lead a healthy lifestyle. Instead, we locked everybody inside, had everybody order DoorDash, and we were giving people Krispy Kreme donuts
Yeah.
and McDonald's to fucking take the vaccine. It's insanity,
Yeah.
like if we were actually about health, if the healthcare industry was about health, we would be telling people make sure you get plenty of exercise, get some sunlight so you're not vitamin D deficient, uh, go for a daily walk, try to eat, a minimal amount of ultra processed food. There's some new studies out that show that ultra processed food, eating more than 20% of your actual nutrition, has very, very, very severe effects on cognition, like on cognitive health and executive function of the brain,
Mm.
meaning like the things that control self control, perseverance, time management, task initiation, like those sorts of things. It has like a 25% reduction after 8 years if you eat 20% or more ultra processed food. And the last studies done show that most of America eats about 50% of their total daily caloric intake in ultra processed food. So we're, as a majority in America, well above the level that would cause us over a time span to have very serious negative effects on our executive function of our brain. Like that's why we're all crazy,
Mm.
you know? That's why the rest of the world, because I have clients all over the world, that's why the rest of the world views America as stupid and crazy. Like, I mean, I know you do. Like, I know you do. Like, what we do is stupid. Like,
A lot of
to
it.
a
Yeah.
huge degree. Yeah, a lot of it's really dumb. Like, just really, really, really dumb.